how to create an Apple ID for free using your Windows 11 PC. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Now go to the Apple ID website by typing appleid.apple.com. Once you're on the Apple page, click on Create Your Apple ID. Now, here you need to write fill in your personal details. For example, your name, your country region, your password. For additional security, you'll also need to set up 3 security questions and choose questions that you'll easily remember but are hard for others to guess. After completing the form, you need to enter the CAPTCHA. Also, after you need to verify it. You can verify with text message or phone call. You can choose whichever you prefer. Once your email is verified and the CAPTCHA is complete, go back to the Apple ID website and sign in with your new Apple ID and password. And that's it, you've successfully created a free Apple ID using your Windows 11 PC.